If exam season is coming up and your week already feels overloaded with assignments, deadlines, and scattered notes, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use EdrawMind to turn the chaos into a clear weekly plan you can actually stick to. The real problem is not just having too much to do, it's that work is scattered everywhere, in notes, chats, calendars, and in your head. That's why a visual planning system can make such a big difference. With EdrawMind, you can put those scattered tasks into one structure, group them by priority, and see your whole week more clearly. It's faster to scan, easier to adjust, and much easier to act on. Start with a blank map, or use a weekly planning template. Put My Week Plan in the center. Then add a few main branches, like top priorities, meetings, deep work, admin tasks, and personal follow-ups. Now add the tasks, ideas, and responsibilities already on your mind. For example, finish a proposal, review feedback, prepare a meeting, reply to emails, or outline your next project. At this stage, just get everything into one place. If you don't want to start from scratch, EdrawMind gives you a faster option. You can use EdrawMind AI to generate a mind map from a prompt, a long paragraph, or even content from a video or web page. That helps you turn raw information into a usable weekly structure much faster. And if you've already brainstormed your week in ChatGPT, you can bring those ideas into EdrawMind too. EdrawMind helps you turn that rough output into something clearer, more visual, and easier to execute. And if you prefer writing by hand, there's another quick option. You can take a photo of your handwritten plan in the EdrawMind mobile app and convert it into a mind map, so your paper notes can become a cleaner digital workflow. Once everything is visible, start organizing. Group related tasks together, highlight urgent items, and separate deep work from quick admin work. This is where EdrawMind becomes more useful than a simple list. Don't forget to hold your right-click and select All, then find Insert tab To Do to make a to-do list of your plan. Now make the plan easier to act on. Use colored icons, tags, or progress markers to show urgency, status, and project type. A visual plan is easier to scan and easier to follow during a busy week. You can also use the paintbrush to freely draw and write on the canvas, making your plan look truly important. Go to the Insert tab, select Paintbrush, and adjust the brush style and color however you like to make your plan more vivid. When this plan needs to be shared with your team, we recommend using a table to manage it. By combining task and Gantt chart settings effectively, you can make the plan look more professional and easier to execute and track progress. Select the entire plan, then right-click and choose Add, followed by Add Task. In the Advanced tab, you can use Task and Gantt chart for management and related settings. So, if your week often feels messy before it even begins, try planning it visually in EdrawMind. You can start from a template, use EdrawMind AI, or even turn handwritten notes into a mind map, whatever gets you from scattered tasks to a clear plan faster. That's how you can plan a week of work in less time with EdrawMind. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links below to try EdrawMind for yourself.